Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 16. Harun alayhi salam. Name: Harun alayhi salam. Lineage and birth: full name Harun ibn Imran, elder brother of Prophet Musa alayhi salam, born in Egypt from the descendants of Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam, mentioned in multiple surahs including Surah Taha, Al-Araf and Al-Baqarah. Family background: mother, a righteous woman from Bani Israel. Father, Imran, also father of Musa alayhi salam. Close bond with his brother, Prophet Musa alayhi salam, mentioned together in over 17 verses in the Quran. Prophethood and role: appointed as a prophet by Allah to assist Musa alayhi salam. Role: spokesperson and supporter, eloquent in his speech. And appoint for me a minister from my family, Harun, my brother. Confronting Pharaoh: accompanied Musa alayhi salam to confront Pharaoh, warned Pharaoh and his court with clear signs from Allah. So we sent with him our brother Harun as a support. The golden calf incident: left in charge when Musa alayhi salam went to Mount Tur, tried to stop Bani Israel from worshipping the golden calf made by Samiri. O son of my mother, seize me not by my beard nor by my head. Patience and wisdom: did not use force to avoid splitting the people, used wisdom and soft speech in calling his people to truth, praised for his patience, righteousness and strength in guidance. Physical and personal traits: described as a strong, eloquent and spiritually devoted, known for calm demeanor, compassion and humility. His speech complemented the strength of Musa alayhi salam. Death: passed away before Musa alayhi salam during the 40-year desert journey. Grave: buried at Mount Hur near Petra, Jordan, according to traditional sources. Quranic mentions: mentioned by name 20 times across multiple surahs: Al-Baqarah, Al-Araf, Surah Taha, Al-Qasas, Ash-Shu'ara and others. Always mentioned with respect and honor as a prophet. Final reflections: Prophet Harun alayhi salam is a timeless model of support, leadership and patience. He complemented Musa alayhi salam in mission and mercy, a true example of brotherhood in Dawah. Key qualities: Sidq, truthfulness; Fasaha, eloquence; Sabr, patience; Wazir, supportive leadership. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Prophet facts.